Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can activate your Airwallex account for dropshipping. So let's get started. First, after signing up on Airwallex, your account is created instantly, but it stays in pending mode. To use it for dropshipping, you need to fully activate it. Start by logging into your dashboard and completing the KYC verification. You'll need to upload your personal ID, like a passport or driver's license, along with your business documents, such as your company registration or incorporation certificate. Next, make sure your business setup is suitable for dropshipping. This means having a working online store, like Shopify or Ecommerce, and a clear business model. Airwallex may check your website to confirm that you're running a legitimate business. After that, verify your business activity. You can provide your store link, supplier invoices, or any proof that shows you are actively selling products online. Now move to the banking step. Add and verify your business bank account. Airwallex may send small test deposits, so confirm them to complete verification. Once your bank is linked, make your first deposit. Even a small amount is enough. This step is important because it changes your account status from pending to fully active. After activation, you can start using Airwallex for dropshipping. You can receive payments in multiple currencies, pay suppliers globally, and even create virtual cards for ads or subscriptions. That's it. Your Airwallex account is now fully activated and ready for your dropshipping business. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.